Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for 4th of May. And first of all, national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday greeted the countrymen on the occasion of Akshaya Tritiya and Parshuram Jayanti. Committed over $3 billion to Sri Lanka this year, India said. Jodhpur tensed after clashes on Eid. A curfew was ordered in parts of Rajasthan's Jodhpur on Tuesday. Uttarakhand Char Dham Yatra began on Tuesday with opening of Gangotri, Yamunotri temples. Supreme Court dismissed PLEA, seeking changes in COVID vaccination policy. And now, some international news. PM Boris Johnson announced $376 million more in UK military aid to Ukraine. Fuel shortages caused long lines, more headaches for Ukrainians amid war. Russia planned to pull out of International Space Station amid sanctions by US and allies. Vatican City. Pope Francis said Tuesday he has requested a meeting in Moscow with Russian President Vladimir Putin over the Ukraine war, but has heard nothing back. The West Japan Rail Company has unveiled VR-controlled giant robot for repairs on railway tracks. Gaza farmer found 4,500-year-old statue of Canaanite goddess of beauty, love and war. And now some sports news. Manchester United striker Cristiano Ronaldo sent across a warning conveying that he is not finished after Manchester United's win versus Brentford on Tuesday. BCCI Secretary Jay Shah met Shane Warne's younger brother and recalled Warne's contribution to world cricket, especially IPL. Ben Stokes has been appointed the New England Test captain. The Indian Premier League 2022 playoffs and final will be played from May 24 to 29 in Kolkata and Ahmedabad, the BCCI said in a statement. And now, let's have a look on weather. From Thursday onwards, most parts of North and Central India will be free from the heat wave. There are also chances of thunderstorms and rain over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and all southern states till Friday. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.